With OKM 3D ground scanners you are able to detect cavities and larger objects in the underground. However, it may be difficult to localize smaller items such as coins, rings and jewelry. With the SRIS search coil you will detect even small metal objects close to the surface. The coil can be activated when setting up the operating modes Live Sound, 3D Ground Scan and Live Scan with the probe in vertical orientation. Start a new measurement by clicking on Import. Select your detector and the interface. Choose the operating mode. In this example we use Live Sound. Choose Vertical Probe Orientation with coil enabled. Confirm your choices with OK and press the trigger button to start scanning. Now, you can locate small metal objects such as coins, rings and jewelry more easily with the SRIS search coil.